your boy Deco, and today we are reviewing the Samsung Smart Fridge. It's pretty expensive, as you can see, but it's Wi-Fi enabled, single ice maker filter, standard depth. It comes in 2 different finishes. I put my Red Bull in there. Inside the fridge so you guys can see it inside. It's got a little straw thing. It's got a straw right there so you can yeah, if you want ice. But anyway, let's take a look inside. There's my Red Bull right there. Green Red Bull. It's pretty nice inside. You have your humidity control. You can switch it high to low. And this is at the Home Depot. And look, your apps here will still work. Your apps will still work if you have the door open. Then you have your 2-year limited warranty. So here's the full setup right here. Okay, this is a pretty good sized fridge, but if you want to spend a ton of money, then by all means go for it. Then you have the chest freezer as well. It's got 2 different layers, and you have the one underneath. It's pretty neat. Then you have the, I suppose, deli stuff, and you can control on each side what you want. Okay, but you can get this in side by side, 3-door flex, front 4-door flex, and the trim level, Tuscan stainless steel, black stainless, all that. But here's the website, y'all, if y'all want to find out. So right now it's looking pretty good. Just the ice maker, that's where the ice goes in. Okay, it's really good. See, there's iHeartRadio I pulled up there. Of course, it isn't working. But essentially, you can browse the web with this and stuff. I'm gonna leave a memo. Follow me on Instagram at r:00_gecko. There we go. You can text as well. If you want. I'll just put my Instagram just in case people want to follow me on Instagram. I don't think it. There we go. See? I put that. Okay. So save that. That's pretty cool. See what other thing it's got. stock photos. Ability is probably Bluetooth. Well, this is your home screen right here. It's got a thing. No, I'm not gonna sign in with Amazon. It wants me to sign in even though it's thing. It's not allowed in retail mode. What do you mean not allowed? It's not 10 a.m. It's not February 4th. Alexa. Oh my god, it did. Oh, Alexa. Okay, Google. Okay. Okay, Google. Hey, Bixby. Hey, Bixby. Okay, Bixby. Oh, okay, okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. 10-year warranty. Yeah, this is way too cool. This can also, and it's got speakers too. It's got a video. Just a dog running. What the hell? Quality is actually pretty good. Yeah, you can probably watch YouTube on here, everything. Samsung Smart Fridge, model number RF2705501SR. It's fingerprint resistant, so if you guys ever get a chance, come to Home Depot, maybe check it out or so, okay? Alright, love you guys. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you. Smash that like button if you're new. And smash that subscribe button as well. You know how it is. And that was my review of the Samsung Smart Fridge. Bye.